Are you giving gift cards for Christmas this year? Let's stop spending extra money on buying gift cards from stores and make our own. In this video, I'll show you how to make this cute little gift card pop-up card that stands up from the rest. Let me show you. So you'll need a 4.5 by 6.5 cardstock, and you'll also need for the insert a 3 3/4 by 3.5 and a scoreboard. So on the 6.5 side, we're going to score at 1 1/4 and 4 1/4. And then on the insert, we're going to take it and score at 3.5. We're going to score at 1 1/4, and we're going to score at 2 5/8. And that's it for the scoring. Now, take a bone folder, and we're going to fold. I apologize, I have a cold. I'm going to fold up to where I burnished them, or I folded them. Let's burnish. So this one you want to fold the other opposite way. Here, so fold this way. Now we're going to tape it up. I use red sticky strip because for me, a red tape, it's I'm using 1/8 of a tape because you're going to need room to put your gift card in there. You can use glue as well. I just like how strong this red tape is, so I'm using it, and it's just much faster. All right. Now that we have that, we'll put tape here as well. And now we're going to just take out the release backing of the tape for this one here, and we're going to align it. So you're going to make sure there's even space on both sides. And once you've seen that, or you're happy with that, what you're going to do is you're just going to take the top flap and bring it down, and now it's attached. Okay. So we're going to close this up as well. This is where the gift card will go. And come on. And that will go, just reinforce it. And now we're gonna take the last set of sticky, or the adhesive backing, and, oops, tore that one up, that's not good. That's how good this tape is. So, thank goodness we can cover this. I did tear it up, so I'll have to put another one down. Try again. The scissors fell and it has this little bent, but it actually works out because it can pick this thing up pretty quickly, easily. I know there's a tool out there. I do have those tools, I just don't have it right now. That works for me. So after that, make sure when you put this down here, just pull it up, make sure it's tucked in. And that is your pop-up gift card. And so the matting on this, the two paper pieces here, the top and the bottom. The top piece is 4 3/8 by 2 1/8. And then the bottom piece is the same, 4 3/8 across and 1 1/8. Okay, so let's glue this down. Not traditional Christmas colors, but it's still pretty. So there you go. And the paper is from Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure if they still have it. So we're going to put this one on the bottom, like so. Okay, so now we have our gift card. Really quick. Now, just like the sample that I showed you in the beginning of the video, I want to put a bow on it, and we're going to put some magnets in it too for the closure. So this die right here is from papercraft. It just comes in 3 different sizes, large, medium, and small. So I cut the large one. What we're going to do is we're going to place it here, find our middle or our center. Just going to glue it down. Not all the way, because we're not going to use the whole strand. So find our middle or our center, like so. And then that we have it, just spread the glue, turn it around, cut the excess strap off. And then, so we'll get our magnets. This magnet is 5 by 1 millimeter. It's really thin, but it does do its job. And what I do is I use a glue dot and place it there. And then I'll connect the other one like you saw me. And then this one I'll take it off. I'll put it on the bottom and the center and just put some pressure on it. And then I'll take another glue dot for the other end piece, layer it on top. So now it should be attached, as you can see. Alright, so now let's finish our ribbon for our bow. So I did 2 contrasting color, one foil red and then the iridescent one foil as well. And I just wanted to have some contrast on it. So this one I'll put glue in the middle, lots of movement. Like so. And then this one here, which is the bottom piece, put glue in the middle. And glue. And then the middle piece, I did change it up, and I did change the color to that iridescent one. Just put glue just for the center of the bow, again for contrast. Like that. Okay, now we're gonna put, I'm gonna put a foam tape on it on the bottom to make it pop. I'm just gonna find my center here, and that's not a center. That's not a center. Just making sure it's good. I'm happy. And there you go. Really quick, very simple, but it's a difference, right? So here is our pop-up, and we can put a gift card in here, put it in, and there you go. So I sized this one specifically for just a gift card. Gift cards are popular gifts. There is a different version which I made earlier this year, but this is a regular A2 size gift card holder card, but I Velcro, and then here I can actually stamp a saying or a sentiment. Works the same way. It's just I want it to size again based on the gift card, just for the gift card, and so you can see the difference in size, right? But I wanted a cuter gift card holder, so I resized it just for the gift card. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this really quick project, something you can make. Christmas is literally 3 days from now, so if you're still needing a gift card, this is not going to take a lot of time, but it still gives you that wow factor. Alright guys, thank you so much. Have a good week and Merry Christmas, and see you next time. Bye guys.